Let me show you easily the best value for money wireless monitor for smartphones. And when I say the best, I actually really mean it, because I have also tested two different of these units, and this model over here completely destroys everything else from what I have seen. So we get 4-inch display on it, as well as sound transmission. And if you want to see the specs, so you see also very decent internal battery and 2-hour runtime. Also again, probably one of the best when it comes to the cheap units. Also decent screen resolution, and also distance also actually appears very decent on this. So yeah, let's check it out. Also, I'll show you how to basically use it with Android phones, iPhones, and also how it actually looks like. So I have iPhone 17 here, S23 Ultra. So yeah, we're going to check that out. Okay, again, it works with any system, so yeah, absolutely perfect. So first we have our manual here, okay, and also our monitor. So I have already used it for quite a while. I just tried to repackage everything as best as I could. Yeah. So we get our monitor here, and also our charger cable, and also this magnetic ring as well. So for example, if you do not have MagSafe on your phone, so maybe most newer Android phones, maybe the new S26 Ultra will also get that. But yeah, you can definitely use with any phone. So, and also this tiny lanyard, probably not needed. Also, if you are looking to get this monitor, in the description I'll include a special discount link that you can follow and get it for the cheapest price possible. So personally, I got mine from AliExpress and I paid only around $20 for mine. So if you follow those links and also use extra coupons I'll include in the description, you can also get it for pretty much the same price, and that also is with free shipping, and even comes with a couple different colors if you want to choose it. So again, if you go on AliExpress, actually you have to be kind of careful, because there are maybe like 4 or 5 different models of these monitors. So personally, I have also tried 2 others, and when it comes to battery life and also screen resolution and how it actually works with the phone, basically the connection method, this so far it actually appears the best. Basically, we have the screen guard here. Let's remove that. Okay, and this is the size of it. So when it comes to quality, so this is plastic build. It might appear that it's metal, but it's plastic obviously, but still actually fairly decent. And this over here is a MagSafe attachment, but again, this can be used with any phone. You do not have to have iPhone. But yeah, if you have iPhone, you can literally just stick it on, so like this, and you see it stays on, and actually it's very good hold. So you see you can shake it. By the way, this is iPhone 17, so the regular iPhone 17. Maybe it protrudes, maybe like a few millimeters out, but yeah, actually, even for the regular iPhones, yeah, it's actually very good. So yeah, if you do not have MagSafe on your phone, included inside the box, you have this simple ring essentially. So what you can do is, for example, you can stick directly to to your phone, or if you do not want to mark your phone, you can simply use a case for it as well. So simply stick it on the case, or also these days there are also like cases that already have MagSafe inbuilt. So again, maybe even purchase a case like that, but if you want to use this your old case, so you can simply stick this on here. Okay. So it's like shiny, and you have basically the sticker. I will show you that a bit later. So this is, for example, what it looks like, and then it sticks on essentially. So as you see on the top, you also have various controls here. So this is a screen rotation button here. This is a remote shutter. So for example, if you want to remotely take a picture, and this over here is a brightness adjustment button here. So we have the Type-C charger port here, on-off button. On this side, we don't have much. The hole for the lanyard, probably the speaker holes, I guess. Okay, so you see, actually fairly decent. Yeah, so if you want to turn it on, so literally switch it, and you see it's actually turning on. So we can also adjust the screen brightness here. As you see, it's insanely bright. If you need it, my camera is even have some problems. So you see this blowing out my camera, how insanely bright it is. But yeah, I find it on the minimum brightness, it's plenty fine, and then obviously the battery will last the longest time essentially. And if you want to connect this to a phone, again, compared to the other units I have tested, this actually is the best, because for example, other units actually rely on some kind of Chinese camera apps to actually like be able to take pictures and record videos, but this actually works with your stock camera app. So that is probably the biggest advantage of this one also over others. So for example, if you want to connect, so either to Android or iPhone, so it's very easy. For example, so I have, for example, on like a Samsung phone. So you would simply open up your smart view, so the mirroring, and you see it instantly gets found, so you do not have to actually download any apps, connect in any other way. So again, there's no setup basically on Android phone, so it's pretty much instant. So you see, yep, let's start the screen mirroring. Okay. And you see it automatically connected here. So how cool is that? Again, easily the best and easiest setup, and actually works very reliably. Other, once again, relies on some kind of stupid apps, but this one is totally unbeatable. So you see, for example, if I start my camera here, as you see, yeah, absolutely insanely cool. So yeah, when it comes to screen quality, this also actually is the best you can probably get. Obviously the bezels maybe are quite large, but the screen quality itself, it's actually fairly sharp and actually very good, so you can actually very easily see what's actually going on. So you see, for example, yeah, if we launch the camera, so again, not sure how exactly well you can see, kind of hard to show, but you see the screen quality definitely is actually very good. So also like this, and again we can also use this like rotation button. So you see, if I press it, the screen gets rotated here. Okay, I mean, yeah, this looks absolutely cool. And next, let's attach it to a phone, so using this ring. So first maybe figure out where you want it to be. So maybe like this. Also make sure it doesn't obstruct any cameras, of course. So figure out where the position would be. Okay, so maybe around here. And then simply remove the glue thing and stick it on as best as you can. Press it down here. Let's see, maybe actually put it up too high. No, actually, maybe good. So you see, so this is with a sticker. You see actually very good hold here, so you can easily shake it and nothing happens. Okay, and this is what it looks like. I mean, yes, this is complete game changer, at least for me, because on the channel essentially I film like maybe like 95% of videos with a smartphone. So, and also usually in this kind of setup. But yeah, when you're actually filming with the back cameras, obviously you can't really understand the framing, but with this one, yeah, I mean, it's absolute game changer, at least for me. Okay, and yeah, also we can obviously remove it from here and simply go away somewhere as well. So if you maybe want to place this on a table, so for example, if you have your camera basically somewhere very far away, so you can easily monitor basically what's going around. So we see, so I'll move around. I mean, yes, this is so incredibly cool. Also, maybe let's check out the range as well. So maybe like 10 meters now. I do not know if you'll ever need more. Maybe at like 20 meters still working. So you see, it's actually quite far away, but it's still working here. So really also the range is no bother at all on this one. So yeah, absolutely love it. Indeed. Yeah, you can simply stick it on. I mean, yeah, one of my favorite tools actually. Yeah, also literally almost like 2 hours on the minimum brightness. So if we change the brightness, so you see, this is the maximum brightness, minimum brightness, still actually outdoors, still actually very decent. And again, at the same time, we can also flip over the screen. So you see, you can flip it over. So when it comes to performance, this actually looks mega good indeed. And next, also let's check out how it actually works with iPhone as well. So you would simply open up your camera app and simply point at that QR code. So then join the network. Yep, let's join it. Okay, so let's see. So you see, essentially, this can create its own Wi-Fi network, and your iPhone essentially connects to that Wi-Fi network itself. And then on your iPhone, simply open up the screen mirroring option and click on it. So you see, also pretty much instant. So how cool is this? Okay, so you see, as I do something, yeah, insanely cool. So also let's open up the camera. So as you see, yeah, absolutely superb. Also, if you check the delay, maybe like 200 milliseconds. So definitely less than half a second. So pretty much instant. There's almost like pretty much zero lag here as well, as you can see. And again, on an iPhone, we can simply literally just stick it on. So yeah, as see, I mean, so this is complete game changer. Essentially, if you're filming with a smartphone, yeah, if you look at the quality here, I mean, this is such good quality actually. At this price really, it's absolutely unbelievable actually how good the quality actually is here. Also, I'm using it with a Pixel phone as well. So on this channel, I mainly actually create these videos with my Google Pixel phone. So you see, you can also easily attach to a Pixel. Also, I have tried with various Xiaomi phones. Also works with pretty much any Android phone or also iPhone. So yeah, for this price, I think this is totally unbeatable. And again, one of the best investments you can get if you are some kind of content creator who likes to create most of these videos with a smartphone, just like I am doing. So again, literally, actually, maybe like 99% of my videos on my channel, again, are shot on a smartphone. And again, I was always basically quite frustrated, basically, because it was always kind of hard to understand, basically, if I'm actually correctly in the frame when I'm shooting myself. But with this simple tool, so literally like only around, again, around $20 if you follow those links and use the coupons. I mean, this is absolutely unbelievable. Also, if you look maybe some branded products, I have seen that some of these monitors even sell for like over $100, maybe like even 150, but I do not think the performance actually will be any better on them. Maybe they simply have slapped on some brands. So again, this is completely unbranded unit, but yeah, works absolutely great. So yeah, if you are looking to get one, so simply check out those links. Again, it will lead to this exact listing where I actually purchased mine from. If you check AliExpress, again, there are multiple different ones. Again, I have also used the two different ones, essentially, maybe even a bit older versions of these. And this, again, complete game changer. Not only the battery life is insane, instant connection, also excellent screen as well. So really can't be beaten at this price. Absolutely no idea how they can even produce it. So again, yeah, if you follow those links, around $20, yeah, with free shipping. Okay, good luck.